Ever wondered what it's like to live a day as the most mysterious cat in the Americas? Let's step into the paws of a jaguar, deep in the heart of the rainforest. The sun's just breaking through the canopy, golden light painting the forest floor. I wake up, stretching out on a bed of leaves, my spotted coat blending perfectly with the dappled shadows. Silence is my friend here. Every sound, every scent. Breakfast, not yet. I slip down to the river. Jaguars aren't afraid of water. I love it. With a quiet leap, I'm gliding through the cool stream, muscles rippling under my fur. Fish dart away, patient, strike quick and precise. Success, back on land, a shake off. I pad silently through the undergrowth. The forest is alive, canopy movement and light. Monkeys chatter above, parrots flash by in bursts of color. I move with purpose, careful, calculated steps. I'm always alert. Midday heat settles in. Time to find shade and rest. I sprawl beneath a fallen log, ears twitching at rustles. Jaguars are solitary creatures. I like my own company. I keep my territory close. As dusk falls, the air cools and shadows grow long. Now, the hunt begins. I stalk silently, muscles focus. Eyes lock onto a capybara by the water's edge. One powerful leap the chase. Tonight, luck is on my side, successful capture. With the stars overhead, I settle down, full and content. The jungle quiets, always listening, always watching. This is my world, untamed, wild, beautiful. Thanks for joining me on this journey through a Jaguar's day. If you want more wild adventures, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.